Mahirap ang math. Tara, aralin natin ang problem na to. So, ang problem na to ay galing sa mathematics group. Seriously, 99.1% failed to solve this puzzle. What? Are you kidding me? Totoo ba to? 99.1% daw nagpifail na ma-solve ang puzzle na to or problem na to. Belong ka ba sa 99.1% na ito? Or belong ka doon sa 0.9% na kayang ma-solve ang puzzle na to? So, I hope hindi ka belong sa 99.1% na yun. Or kung belong ka sa 99.1%, sana after ng video na to, belong ka na doon sa 0.9% na kayang isolve ang puzzle na to. Actually guys, this problem is very easy. Paano ko nasabi? Kasi, in fact, ito ay masosolve gamit lamang ang application ng tinatawag na MDAS rule. MDAS rule. Okay? M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition, right? And S stands for subtraction. Okay, now, ano ba yung tinatawag na MDAS rule? Ibig sabihin, mauuna ba si multiplication, followed by division, followed by addition, and followed by subtraction? In fact, guys, ito. Ang multiplication at saka division, kahit alin ang mauna dyan. And then yung addition and subtraction, kahit alin ang mauna dyan. Depende kung alin ang mauna. From left to right po ang ating rule. Okay, nakuha po ba? Either sa multiplication or division ang uunahin. So, ang basis natin is from left to right. From left to right. From left to right. Okay? So, yun. Multiplication or division, kahit alin ang mauna. From left to right ang ating rule. Addition or subtraction, kahit alin ang mauna, basta ang rule natin ay from left to right. Okay, now, based on this problem, ano ang uunahin natin? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Based on the rule natin, alin ang mauna? Either multiplication or division. So, since walang division dito, ang unahin natin ay multiplication. So, bale, uunahin natin itong part na ito. Isulat natin 7 plus 5 minus 3 plus 6 minus 2 and then times 0. So, alin ang unahin? Uunahin natin yung multiplication kasi wala namang division. So, ibig sabihin, itong part na to ay 0. Ang part na to ay 0. Okay? So, minus 0 yan. And then eventually, ano nang kasunod? So, base dito sa mathematical expression, addition, subtraction, and addition. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kahit alin ang mauna. So, from left to right ang gagawin natin. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo na itong unahin, yung addition dito. So, kahit subtraction dyan, pwede nyo na yung unahin kasi ang rule natin dito sa addition and subtraction from left to right. Kung alin ang nauna. So, dito 7 plus 5, we have 12. 12 minus 3 plus 6. Okay? So, 12 minus 3, ilan? 9. Plus 6 minus 0. So, we have 9 plus 6, so we get 15. So, the correct answer here is 15. So, based on the options, our answer must be none of this. Okay?